How to add overlays in Reelshot. Overlays in Reelshot are fantastic for adding visual flair, textures, light leaks, or even dynamic video elements on top of your main footage. This guide will show you how to easily incorporate these creative layers into your videos. In your open Reelshot project, find the overlay icon in the editing toolbar, a general plus icon for adding new media layers. Tap on this to bring options for adding overlays. You'll typically find options to add different types of overlays, such as video overlays, image overlays, or even pre-made effect overlays. Select the type, then browse and choose the video clip, image, or effect from a library or Reelshot's built-in assets. It will be added as a new layer. Drag the overlay in the video preview to position and resize it as desired. Now access the blend mode options like screen overlay or multiply to interact with the layer below. Also adjust the opacity to control its transparency. Experiment to find the perfect visual integration. Your video now has enhanced video depth. You have successfully added overlays in Reelshot. Elevate your video's visual appeal. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot creative effective tips.